My name is Teresita Alonso. I'm 55 years old. I have two kids and window.
Oh, you're a widow. What's your height?
My height is 55,
Five, five,
52,
five, five, two, five, two,
52, and my weight is 62.
63 kilo. Okay. So, what's your experience, working experience?
My working experience is I cooking,
Mhm. Can,
uh, cleaning, taking care baby.
okay, can you explain how you cook Chinese food?
Yes, steam fish, washing, and then put the ginger,
Mhm.
and then the onion and soy sauce.
How about
Look,
Chinese soup?
the long soup is carrots, corn, and then tomato. It's a long soup.
Okay, and then do you know any other kinds of food aside from Chinese food?
Vegetables.
Okay, and then how long do you work in Hong Kong?
15 years.
15 years.
Yes. And one employer.
Oh, for one employer only. Okay. So I think that's it. I mean, one more question. 15 years, and then what's the reason they did not renew your contract?
Because the children is so big
Growing up now,
growing up. So no,
they don't need
they don't need to take that.
to renew
Yes.
your contract.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Teresita, and then good luck.